Oh, the only problem he has is when he tries to flip around.
No.
Because he's too big for the inside. Wait for it. And he's like, what is this? What is that rectangular device in your hands, Mom?
And now he pushes himself. Oh.
Exactly.
Oh. That is the cutest thing ever.
He is the smartest bird ever.
He is.
Whoa, don't fall off.
Careful, Sora.
Yes, DS, we hear you.
Okay, DS. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa, careful for it. Swear to God, it's like he thinks he's gonna wind up going in circles. Like he's just gonna start flipping. Oh my God! Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Swing time. Swing time.
I don't wanna.
He's like, Dad, I'm dizzy. Give me a second. Swing time.
I don't wanna.
He's like, Dad.
DS.
Jesus, Dave.
Okay, hello. Hello. Hello.
Sora's just like, am I gonna be on TV? Oh my God, DS.
Really, DS? You're gonna challenge the camera? Good boy. Sora, you wanna see it?
He's like, do not want.
On camera side. Mom. Mom.